Welcome again to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is chicken and mushroom pasta bake. Just a dish when it's cold, wet and windy outside. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. First we cook the pasta. Simply put the pasta in a saucepan of boiling salted water and cook as per the instructions on the packet. While the pasta is cooking, heat the oil in a suitably sized pan, add the chicken and cook off until it just starts to take on some colour. Then remove from the pan and reserve. Next add the butter to the pan, and when it's nice and hot, add in the onions, mushrooms and garlic and saute off for a minute or two. Yes, safety first, I know, I'll explain to them at the end of the video. When it's had the 2 to 3 minutes, it's time to add the flour and thoroughly mix in. Cook this floured mixture out for a minute or two. Then add the milk, splash at a time, stirring continuously until a nice creamy consistency is achieved. And when this is done, mix in a good teaspoon of whole grain mustard. Next you add the pepper and salt to taste. Then add the chicken back to the pot and again mix through. And by this time your pasta should be cooked, so drain well and then add that too to the mixture and thoroughly mix in. When this is done, it's time to transfer the mixture to a suitably sized oven-proof dish. Then top the mixture with the cheddar cheese and parmesan. Then it's off to 180° C oven for 40 minutes. And remember, when cooking, safety first, as the kitchen can be a dangerous place. For example, it was while filming the dishing up sequence when the blob of piping hot white sauce hit the back of her hand.
Shit!
Hardly the language used by princesses, but there you go. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and hopefully we'll see you soon in the next one. Bye for now.